Alright folks, as you can tell by the title of this video, today we're checking out a cult favorite, Costco. Now I feel like Costco is the complete opposite of the zero waste grocery stores that you have seen on my channel. I know that people who really like Costco really fucking like Costco, and they won't like ever stop talking about it. So we'll see what the hype is all about. But before that, we're heading to Ikea right now because I don't know if you guys remember that little shelf that was holding the projector. That fell off, destroyed the drywall. I repaired that. Not very good, but it's repaired. But we gotta pick up a new shelf. So this is the one we were looking at so that we could put the projector on top here, and then the rest of the speakers and things like that. It's okay, babe. We'll get you a gas burner one day.
So they have this big burner?
Yeah.
Because sometimes you need more fire. Wow.
Thank you for that.
Swedish meatballs.
And we also got the veggie balls, carrot cake. Out of all of this, get this. Wow, you're so strong.
It's actually like 10 pounds.
Oh.
Yeah, welcome to Ikea.
Alright, so now that we finished up at Ikea, we're gonna head to Costco now, and actually we still have to pick up a membership, and I believe there is a lower tier and a higher tier. Not too sure what the difference is, but I guess we'll find out.
My name is Ryan. This is my gray sky song.
Thank you. Thank you for that. Alright, it's a quick pit stop at Dankmark because we saw it on TikTok, and it's like a place where they sell like pretty cool snacks that you can't find anywhere else. So let's check it out. Gosh. Should get a high chew.
Sweet and sour.
Yeah, let's do that. Soda pop. Oh.
He's gay too.
Doggo! Reaching for something in the distance. We need a lot of brownies. Oh, this is really cool.
Just together, $10.
$10. The iconic Costco muffins. That's the thing, we don't have too much space at home, so we just gotta be very selective, especially when we're buying in bulk. You wanna be on the vlog? Do you wanna sell it on the vlog? What do you got? What do you got?
Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
Thanks, man. Well, if you guys want to buy chocolates from him, go buy chocolate. Pineapple juice, if you know what I'm saying. I'm just...
Don't mind me. On top of...
So that was our first Costco haul together. We ended up getting the executive membership, which is $120, but it gives you like 2% cash back on your order. It was actually funny because she asked if I want another person, so I said I'll grab this guy on there, and he's like, yeah, so for the purpose of this membership, you guys are spouses, don't worry about it. I'm like, little do you know, we're gay as shit. We'll get it after. Like, we'll come right back down, babe. Ryan, the San Pellegrino. Ryan, the Beveragino.
See dumbbell hand cleans?
No, thank you.
Power cleans?
No, thank you.
See some snatches?
No.
I'm gonna do some cleans.
Don't do it. Look how nice it is. So bright. And Jasper is over here with the present.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi. Hi. Alright, let me just give you guys a quick Costco haul. So first up, we picked up this food sealer, vacuum sealer. It wasn't any cheaper because it was at Costco or anything, but we were going to pick one up anyway, so we just picked one up while we were here. This massive thing of San Pellegrino is probably the thing I'm most excited about. So it's got 4 of these 6-pack, but we usually get one of these for around $6, but the fact that all of this was around $8, crazy. This was also really good. It's like 50% off when you compare it to regular grocery stores. We got some potatoes, onions, some mix. As you guys can see, everything is in plastic. Mushrooms for like $5 for this massive thing. Some raspberries, tomatoes, like all of the produce was so much cheaper than anywhere else. Also, the chips are like industrial sized chips.
This is 3 whole chickens for $30. I don't know if you were spending like $9 on like 4 chicken breasts.
Yeah.
I get the thighs, the wings, the carcass, all of it. And a vacuum sealer, throw it in the freezer, you can sous vide it to 71 degrees, and then it's already cooked.
Oh, wow. It's got like that, you know how Chupa Chups strawberry has that like vanilla? It's a little bit like Milkus.
That was pretty good.
It's kind of like the peach Milkus.
But it's strawberry.
Yeah. Alright, so in conclusion, Costco has a ton of great products at really great bulk prices. I think everything that we found was cheaper, or if not at the same price as our regular grocery stores when it came to price per volume. I don't think there was one thing that was more expensive than I would get at a regular grocery store. So I can definitely see if you have a family of 4, family of 6, why getting a lot of the things at Costco would be the cost efficient way to do things. So for Ryan and I, we're probably gonna go to Costco maybe every 6 weeks just to really stock up on the pantry essentials like olive oils and toilet papers and industrial sized snacks. But there's definitely a few things I wasn't the biggest fan at Costco. Now obviously the first thing that I mentioned was all of the packaging. Now I do understand that some people utilize Costco for their businesses and they do require them in individual packaging. However, I still wish they had some way that you can just pick out the things you wanted at that same wholesale price. So whether you bring your own bags like they do at regular grocery stores, but still get them at that rate. But I guess that's just not that possible if you're just gonna buy a single item of it. That's why you have to buy them in large bulks. And I do understand that the plastic packaging does help keep freshness and limit food waste. But yeah, it was definitely crazy to see how overpackaged and overwrapped some of the items were. Now, speaking of food waste, I can really see how the high volume of food met with the very low prices just kind of suck people into getting something for the sake of it being very cheap and affordable. Now, obviously, if you use everything before they go bad, then yeah, you are getting a good deal. But if you are purchasing things at a good deal and you don't use half of it, is it really a good deal? Or is it really a good deal if you went into the store not needing something and just saw it and thought you could kind of use it and end up not using it? Is that a good deal? I don't think so. The layout of every grocery store makes it so that you have to like weave through tons of different aisles to get where you want to go, and I feel like that's very apparent in Costco because as soon as you walk in, it's all of the tech and all the gears, and I feel like even I was sucked into it because I was actually thinking of getting an electric toothbrush for the longest time now because the bamboo ones just aren't doing it for me. So when I saw that was one of the things available, I was like, you know what? I'll just pick it up. But I had no intentions of going to Costco to pick that up. So I think the best way to do it is just go into Costco with a set list and do not buy anything else outside of that list. If you want something else, then put it on your list for next time. And speaking of food waste and buying things in large bulk, I think that food vacuum sealer is gonna come in real handy. I know Ryan's been wanting it for a long time because he wants to use it to cook and sous vide and marinate. But yeah, we just bought 3 whole chicken for literally the price of some thighs. And he was able to butcher everything and put everything in airtight bags, but we could also use it for like veggies and produce that's starting to go off because they actually came with some reusable bags. But yeah, I think it'd be cool to actually have him butcher a bird and how he uses like every single part of the animal to make stock and get different parts, because I think that all goes into reducing food waste. If you are consuming meat products, use every single ounce of the meat product, balance that out with eating a predominantly plant-based diet. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. That was my Costco experience. It's definitely polar opposites from the zero waste grocery stores that you've seen on my channel before, and the prices definitely reflected that. But yeah, guys, I want to hear from you, like whether you're a big fan of Costco, whether you hate Costco, because Costco definitely promotes a lot of consumerism just because of the sheer volume of stuff that people purchase. But at the end of the day, if it's all things that you actually use and you can get them at a better price, you know, why not? Other than that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and remember to be less shitty. Thanks, guys.